Welcome. Today, I'll show you how to abort a group video chat title on the Telegram app on your PC with the newest update. If you want to end a group video chat quickly and cleanly, just follow these simple steps. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Once you're logged in, navigate to the group where the video chat is currently active, or where you'd like to start one. Next, look for the call icon at the top of the group chat window. It's the middle icon that represents calling options. Click on that call icon to open the call menu. Now, choose Start Video Chat from the options presented. This will begin a video chat session in the group. After selecting Start Video Chat, you may be asked to choose your account if you have more than one. Pick your account and click Continue to enter the video chat. To end the video chat, focus on the controls visible on your screen. Click the three dots, usually located in the top right corner of the video chat window. This opens more options. In that menu, select End Video Chat. This will stop the video chat for everyone in the group. Finally, a confirmation box or close option will appear. Click Close to fully exit and abort the video chat session. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully aborted a group video chat title on Telegram using your PC with the new update. This process helps you keep control over group video interactions and ensures the chat ends whenever you want. Feel free to use this whenever you need to wrap up video calls efficiently in your groups. Thanks for watching.